Sugarcane crop thrives best in hot sunny tropical areas. Areas with high rainfall or good irrigation are best suited for sugarcane cultivation. Sugarcane can be successfully raised on diverse soil types, ranging from sandy soils to clay loams and heavy clays. However, a well-drained, deep, loamy soil is considered ideal for sugarcane cultivation. Sugarcane is propagated primarily by the planting of cuttings. The sections of the stalk of immature cane used for planting are known as seed cane or cane sets and have 2 or more buds, usually 3. Under paired row planting, 24,002 budded sets or 16,003 budded sets plants are required for planting 1 acre of land. Row-to-row spacing varies 90 to 120 centimeters, depending on the soil texture. Partial hilling up of soil